unclench your jaw, fix your posture, get a drink, sit down, stay a while, because today we're learning about cupping, baby. So last week we talked about massage for beginners, but another thing that is very frequently asked, with my clients at least, is what is cupping? So this week we are talking all things cupping. Cupping dates back to 1550 BC. It started in ancient Egypt and ancient Greece. It later spread to the Middle East in China. It then gained popularity in Italy and the rest of Europe during the Renaissance. The earliest known tools for cupping were actually hollowed out animal horns, and then over time the horns were replaced by bamboo, and then bamboo replaced by glass, and glass is still used today. So while, yes, it is trendy, it's nowhere near new. So now we have a little backstory about early cupping. We're going to talk more about modern cupping, obviously. So the three most popular types of cups are glass, silicone, and plastic. And then some of the more popular cupping techniques are wet, which includes slitting the skin a little bit and drawing blood out. And then dry, which just consists of the cup staying in place. And then there's fire, which literally uses fire to create the suction. So there's quite a few other techniques, but what I do and what most massage therapists do is dry cupping with plastic cups. So that's what we're going to be focusing on today. So plastic cups are usually applied with a pump gun, which makes it really easy to control the suction, making it comfortable and effective for each client. And then dry cupping doesn't involve fire or blood or anything extreme like that. All it consists of is the cup staying in one spot for around 10-ish minutes. So that's what cupping is, but how does it actually work? If we're getting technical about it, it's physics. By pumping the air out of the cup, you're creating a negative pressure in the cup, and since the air outside the cup is stronger, it's causing that lift in the cup. Okay, cool, but we don't care about the physics. We care about the benefits. You are going to be blown away by the amount of benefits cupping has. So to start off, we have physical benefits and the benefits in your muscular system, which consist of muscle tension relief, fascial release, joint mobility, spasm and cramp reduction, and postural support. Okay, but how does cupping help with these things? The suction is gently pulling apart your muscle fibers, which helps with muscle tightness, and that's ultimately going to help alignment, breaking up any adhesions in the fascia, loosening your soft tissues, and improving oxygen supply to any deprived muscles. Have I convinced you yet? No? Okay. Well, it also has circulation and healing property benefits. So you're not just helping with tight muscles. Cupping is also going to help increase blood flow. It helps support lymphatic drainage. It encourages metabolic waste to clear out faster. Helps remodel scar tissue. And it can help speed up healing after workouts or injury. Okay, but the nervous system also benefits from cupping by causing a complete reset. And this reset can literally take you from fight or flight to rest and digest. If you're not too sure what that means, it's basically saying that it's going to help lower your heart rate, deepen your breaths, relieve your stress and anxiety, and improve your sleep. Huge. This is huge. This is groundbreaking. You're also potentially getting immune support, headache and migraine relief, detox support, and firmer looking skin. This is amazing. Like, you're getting all these potential benefits while you get to lay down on a massage table and relax. Okay, so now on a serious note, yes, this does sound super beneficial, super easy. It's non-invasive, at least the cupping I do. But unfortunately, there are some of us who have to be extra cautious or cannot get cupping done. So what I can't cup is anybody that has any type of skin infection or open wound. any bleeding disorders, severe varicose veins, uncontrolled high blood pressure or heart disease, and extreme edema, especially from heart or kidney failure. And a couple things that I have to be cautious with is diabetes, recent injury, fracture, or surgery, autoimmune disorders like lupus or MS, and any medication like blood thinners. So if you're someone who is interested in getting cupping, but you are affected by one of those things that I listed or something I didn't list and you're not too sure about, please go see a doctor first and get the okay, or talk to your therapist beforehand and also get the okay. Okay? Now that we know what cupping is, how it works, the benefits, and who it's for, what we really want to know is, does it hurt? Cupping is not supposed to be painful. Some people might be a little bit more sensitive to it, but majority of people describe it as a pulling or stretching or tight pressure sensation, so not pain. And finally, those marks that you see, no, they're not bruises. Bruises are caused by impact or injury. Meanwhile, cupping is gentle suction. So these marks are going to show up in areas your circulation was stagnant or your muscles were tight. It's basically just a sign of your body clearing out waste and refreshing the tissue. Okay, that is cupping in a nutshell. Everything on cupping that you need to know before coming in. Now you know what to expect. Hopefully I answered some questions. Remember to book your massage this week and stay hydrated. Bye!